Today, we're ranking 5 greater Seattle neighborhoods and suburbs where home values have surged the hardest since 2018. And the number one spot is a name many buyers barely think to check first. Value surging does not always mean the highest price tag wins. For this countdown, the key signal is how much the median sale price moved between 2018 and 2026. Using Redfin market data in 2026, with added context from the setting and housing profile of each place. So, we're moving across King and Snohomish counties, from Cascade foothill cities to Eastside tech corridors, and close-in suburbs just south of Seattle. Number 5 is North Bend. North Bend sits on the outskirts of the Seattle metropolitan area in King County, and its value story is already significant before we even reach the top 4. The median sale price is about $1,205,000, up about 88% from $642,500 in 2018, per Redfin market data in 2026. Zillow puts the typical home value around $1,014,601 in 2026. Which reinforces how high the ownership baseline has become here. With a walk score of 74, according to Walk Score in 2026, North Bend also brings more local access than many people assume for a foothill city. Number 4 is Granite Falls. This Snohomish County city is located between the Pilchuck and Stillaguamish rivers, in the western foothills of the Cascade Range, northeast of Lake Stevens and Marysville. The median sale price is about $632,000. Up about 90% from $333,360 in 2018, per Redfin market data in 2026. Zillow places the typical home value around $589,674 in 2026, giving Granite Falls a very different price profile than the million-dollar markets closer to Seattle. The big takeaway is that value momentum is not only happening in the well-known East Side cities. It is also pushing into outer foothill communities. Number 3 is Covington. Located in King County, Covington brings one of the sharpest percentage moves, even though it does not have the same name recognition as some Seattle area markets. The median sale price is about $824,950, up about 99% from $415,000 in 2018. Per Redfin market data in 2026. Zillow puts the typical home value around $712,612 in 2026. Walk Score gives Covington a score of 6 in 2026. So this is a place where the housing market story is much more about residential demand and price movement than walkable urban density. Number 2 is Redmond. Redmond is 15 miles east of Seattle and is one of the most recognized East Side cities in the greater Seattle area. So its presence near the top may not shock anyone, but the size of the move still stands out. The median sale price is about $1,400,000, up about 100% from $701,000 in 2018, per Redfin market data in 2026. Zillow puts the typical home value around $1,371,365 in 2026. Walk Score gives Redmond an 86 in 2026, adding urban convenience to a market where prices have already climbed into a very high tier. And number 1 is Tukwila. Tukwila is immediately south of Seattle, which makes this top ranking especially interesting because it beats several places with bigger reputations and higher raw home prices. The median sale price is about $742,500, up about 101% from $369,000 in 2018, per Redfin market data in 2026. Zillow puts the typical home value around $592,318 in 2026, which is well below several other names while still showing major upward movement. Walk Score gives Tukwila a 68 in 2026, and its close-in position just south of Seattle helps explain why its value surge belongs at number 1. So the final ranking is North Bend at number 5, Granite Falls at number 4, Covington at number 3, Redmond at number 2, and Tukwila in the top spot. The pattern is clear. Greater Seattle's surging value story is not confined to one type of place. It stretches from Cascade foothill cities to suburban King County markets and close-in communities right next to Seattle, with percentage growth revealing surprises that raw prices alone can hide. What did we miss? Which Seattle area neighborhood or suburb would have made your personal top 5? And which one would you have ranked higher? If this helped you look at the market a little differently, tap the like button and subscribe for more Seattle neighborhood deep dives. Tell me what you want next: another value ranking, a specific suburb breakdown, or a closer look at one Seattle neighborhood. Every number in this video is sourced, and you'll find the links in the description.